And also the other
Indeed.
thing that we haven't even mentioned are domain names. So many businesses aren't in control of their own domain name. I mean, do you find that often?
Yeah, it is. It is quite a common case that comes up where you'll find that the person who built the website, the business owner quite often just gets them to do it all for them just because they don't understand it all. So it's not out of anything malicious from the designer or developer. It's just the business owner saying, "Well, I don't know how any of this works. Can you just buy the name for me and take care of it?" That's pretty much the case most of the time. And then often what happens is that's really not the ideal situation, because then what happens later is if the customer, as they learn and grow with their business and their website, and they discover, or as has been the case before, something happens to the website designer or developer, be it they get bored and want to go back to work or change careers or whatever, they disappear off the scene, can't be contacted, and now the business owner can't take back ownership of the domain name.